This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make simple chocolate-covered strawberries. First, select ripe, firm strawberries and gently wash them. It's crucial to dry them completely to ensure the chocolate adheres properly. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking. Next, prepare your workspace by lining a baking sheet with parchment paper or wax paper. This will provide a non-stick surface for your dipped berries. Now, let's melt the chocolate. You can use a double boiler for gentle, even heating, or a microwave for convenience. If using a microwave, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. This prevents scorching and ensures a smooth, pourable consistency. Aim for a temperature around 90 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal dipping. A good quality chocolate will melt beautifully. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its stem or hull. Dip it into the melted chocolate, rotating gently to coat about 2/3 of the berry. Lift it out and let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl. This prevents puddles and ensures a clean finish. Place the dipped strawberry onto your prepared baking sheet. Once all your strawberries are dipped, place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for about 15 to 30 minutes. This allows the chocolate to set firmly. For an extra touch, you can drizzle them with white chocolate or a different colored chocolate once the first layer is set. These delightful treats are best enjoyed fresh, but can be stored in the refrigerator for a day or two.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.